Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are going to be doing a memory keeping spread in my big vertical. So I've already pulled out seasonal type, the big, simply because this is also the paper that I've chosen to use as my scrapbook. And there were colorful ones here that I thought I may be able to pull some of these fun sentiments. So I kept this one on the side, but I really wanted to put one of these big word quote stickers, either You're Golden, or I like this kind of rainbow one here that I pulled from a iMovie stick pack. You saw these recently in a haul, so it came with all these like very colorful sentiments, and I definitely feel like this rainbow or the golden could probably work really well with that. So that is also why this one is sitting here. And then this pattern paper is simply one from Hobby Lobby. Usually I buy them when they're like 4 for $1. They're kind of the thinner, more than copy paper, but less than cardstock weighted pattern papers that they sell in their scrapbook aisles. And so I pulled the week that we're already working on. And so my thought for this one, to change it up a little bit as far as orientation, because the previous week I did like an orange with kind of like these bookends. I almost thought of cutting the paper into like deep triangles so that I had this triangle occupied and then cover up this triangle, and then kind of have all of the photos staggered like along that triangle, sort of like that, you know, and then have the pattern paper is my kind of thought right now. And then I'll have all my journaling like in this spot. Just something different. We'll see if it comes out. It may turn out great, or it may be a little bit of a disaster. We'll see how it turns out. So I'm going to put you on fast forward and we will begin. Okay. Okay, with getting my triangle corner done, you definitely need to mark like where you want it to start and stop. And luckily, with being a 12 by 12 paper and my rotary cutter, this was able to fit perfectly with both of my little hash marks, and I cut it along that line where they meet, and then there is your perfect triangle wedge corner. So then I do the same for the other side with the other corner of the paper. And I thought this was going to be a harder process than it was, but it was quite easy. And ta-da! There are your two corners and my 6 photos. And that looks great, and that paper is gorgeous, so I might have to go to Hobby Lobby once again and pick up another one. And so here I'm just trying to decide if the quote sticker looks good on this side or that side. And what I realized is that since it was a clear sticker, the text was going to be super hard to read, so this is why I put it on just a thin sheet of copy paper and made it a paper sticker so that it was bold and didn't see through the busyness of the pattern paper in the back. So it's just a tip in case you ever have a clear sticker that you know will fade into the background. Just put it on copy paper and it will shine brightly against your busier background. So I do like it better on the lower left side because it kind of can stagger over that picture of Valentina with her little blue light glasses and her iPad. Because I tried it up in the top right and I just didn't like it as much. So these were some older iMovie stickers from like when the collection first launched, because they're just a thicker weight cardstock. And so some of them are great in coloring because I'm using just bright colors on this layout. So this one says, "What a beautiful day." And then I do use another few that say, "Be yourself" and "Be happy," and just these fun colors, again, that just work with this kind of rainbow theme I have going on. So I like to keep up with this for weekly layouts. This has been just a go-to. This week she had a play date and I got a new car because my lease was up, and we had meet the teacher that week too because school is starting around here. So ta-da, all done. Okay, so I thought I was going to add a few more embellishments over there, but I actually think that having the beautiful paper be showcased there is enough, and I just like the sentiments I was able to put down on these sheets already, and it leaves plenty of room for the journaling. So I love the big quote. I love that this pattern paper pulls all the colors in the quote. So this came together fairly easy, and I just want everyone to be inspired to maybe cut a few corners of scrapbook paper, anchor down your planner sheet, and then put your your pictures down and tell the stories of your week. Till next time, everyone. Bye.